In this video, I will show you how to view your Watch Later playlist on YouTube. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. Before we start, go to Play Store and search for YouTube app. Make sure to update if there's available update for the app to get its latest features. Let's go ahead and open YouTube app. Now let's say we will add this video to our Watch Later playlist. Simply tap on this three dots button below the video, then click Save to Watch Later. Now to view your Watch Later playlist, tap on your profile. Then under Playlist, click this View All button. Look in here, the Watch Later playlist. In my case, it's the very first one. Now notice that the video that we've saved earlier didn't show up. What you'll have to do is click the Sort option, then select Date Added Newest. And you will see the latest video that you've added in your Watch Later playlist. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.